Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Or good. Is it afternoon where you are or night?
It is night. Evening.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I think it is morning in your country right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how are you with your family members?
They are good, and you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So, where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles, California.
California. Okay, that's fine. I know it. So actually, what do you do? I think.
I'm a network administrator too.
Okay. Yeah. I think you are a freelancer right now.
No, the network administrator for the state of Arizona in the United States.
Okay.
I'm one of the top tier IT technicians that work there.
IT technician. Oh, that's fine. Yeah. Actually, do you have a business or are you an employee?
Right now, I'm an employee, but I own a business. I just do not do business currently. I did business with Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, US Bank, a lot of the big retailers out there, Lowe's, Home Improvement, CVS Pharmacy, to name a few. But I own it. I just haven't done any work with it because I got offered a significant amount of money to change jobs. So.
Okay. Actually, what do you want to do in future for earning? This is my
launch an application.
Okay.
Launch an application on a cloud tenant that all the tenants will use, and so that will generate residual income in the future.
Okay. I think, Adobe, Dreamweaver, HTML, CSS, Microsoft Security. Okay. So, I have a question for you. Actually, I think you are a experienced person. So, I have more question to you for learning. Can you help me to learn about this issue?
The issue of experience or the issue of education?
My education.
No. You said learning. So you have a learning issue. Me or you?
Oh, learning issue. Actually, I properly don't know Microsoft Security or Microsoft CRM. I am actually a freelancer, work on online site, that is Upwork and Fiverr.com, and outside there are more outside online basis. I work on there. So actually, I am expert in data entry and copywriting, content writing, and speaking English. Want to teach how to speak in English. This or making video for YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel also.
Do you know? Tell me this. Do you know Content Delivery Network?
Yeah. I make content and to deliver to buyer.
So who uses the content delivery network?
I actually live in Bangladesh, and I got a buyer who actually want to make YouTube video to grow on. I make a video who tell me this type of title, video title. Then I make it and I upload it and for on this YouTube site. Yeah, video. There is a video editing issue for YouTube channel.
Okay, so you have a client that has a video editing issue with the YouTube channel.
Yeah, and also work data entry, Microsoft Word, that means Excel, Microsoft Word, and spreadsheet, anything else.
Okay, so those are your offerings. Those are your, or you have a client that wants to use those skills.
Of course, this is a good question. I have two buyer from USA who actually wants to make video content for YouTube channel, and I have one buyer who actually give me a PDF file to convert in Word. That means data entry work. It is related to data entry work. Actually, as I am a freelancer, so I have to work so many type of task, you know. Oh,
Yes, I understand.
yeah. I right now I'm very happy, and it is honor to me. Actually, I am talking with you. Yeah, and I actually want to give you my heartiest respect to talk with you.
Thank you.
Talk with you. And are you Christian?
Me, I follow everything. I'm spiritual. I'm not just Christian. I'm Muslim. I'm everything. I'm just spiritual. I believe we're all gonna die one day, and we're gonna go somewhere. So
okay, and
I don't say this is right and that's right.
Okay, I actually want to know. This is my curious. Which religious you are? I mean, are you Christian?
No, I don't follow anything. So I have things I have to do, and I can resume this at the morning, your time, at 7 a.m. in the morning. Can you message me then? I have to go.
Okay. And I have one more question. Okay. Can we speak in a week? It is possible. Is it possible?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, this is actually very honor to me. If I actually request you when you are free in a week, actually if we make a video conversation, that will be very effective for me, both of you and me. So if you are free in a week, we can make a video conversation for a while.
Okay. All right, we'll talk then. Okay, I gotta go.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you.